Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. You'll see in the photos the boat has white hull size with the white rub rail and stainless steel insert. For power, we've got it set up with the upgraded 200 horsepower V6 Mercury, also done in white. At the transom, you have really nice high back support with your flip down aft seats, rod holders behind each of them. We've opted this boat out with the teak package, which gives you the teak on the swim platform as well as the gunnels. You have a table mount here at the back of the cockpit, 2 JL audio speakers. It has the upgraded helm seat with the live well underneath, 4 rod holders across the back, 4 rocket launchers across your fiberglass hardtop. 2 nice big fold-up bolsters here at the helm seat. Gives you a leaning post or a nice deep seat to sit in. Lenco trim tabs with LED indicator, digital throttle and shift, Simrad GPS depth finder, fish finder, JL audio head unit, that is Bluetooth, lockable glove box. As I had mentioned earlier, you've got the teak inlay at the footrest as well as on the side of the gunnels. Underneath the console, you do have a head compartment, white powder coated frame for your hardtop, forward-facing seating, and this is a carry-on, carry-off cooler, and that's an upgraded Yeti cooler. This boat does have the seating package, which gives you the backrest in the bow of the boat. You have an insulated box here, which can be used as a fish box or cooler. That's gas strut assisted. Forward of that, you have your anchor locker. This boat is outfitted with the trolling motor panel in the bow. That's a real quick look at our 2026 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. For more information, give us a call, 910-256-8100.